In today's episode, we are going to be doing a little bit of technical analysis as far as Toncoin, Hamster, Notcoin, and Dogs are concerned. So these particular cryptocurrencies have been representing the Tone ecosystem in a very good way, and I really believe that they have an opportunity, or rather we have an opportunity to make millions and millions of dollars investing and trading these particular coins, especially on the open network. So first of all, let's start by breaking down what has been happening to Toncoin, because Toncoin is trading at $5.38. It has a market cap of around 13.6 billion US dollars with a fully diluted valuation of about 27.5 billion US dollars. So if we take a look at the graph of Toncoin, obviously we have been having some sort of pushback ever since we dropped from the previous all-time high that occurred on June 12th, 2024, which was around close to $7. So we did dip as low as $4.64, and right now we are trying to sort of have a pushback. And I really believe that this is the fourth wave, and we still have a lot of room towards the upside. So if the tone ecosystem is going to be going towards the upside, what is these underlying cryptos that are built on the Tone ecosystem, what are they going to be doing? And this is what we are going to be talking about. So obviously, if we go to the Tone ecosystem, there are a lot of cryptocurrencies that have been made on the Tone ecosystem, and I really believe one of the best performers, or rather the highest valuated cryptocurrencies in terms of market cap and fully diluted market cap, is obviously Hamster token, which obviously got a lot of backlash and a lot of people are upset. So is Hamster Kombat about to have a major turnaround, and is it going to be pumping towards the upside? Because ever since it got listed, it's just been performing very poorly. But I really believe the price is going to have a reversal, and there's going to be a lot of upside which is going to be had, because this particular cryptocurrency hasn't had any major upside since it got listed. So if you take a look at this bottoming factor right over here, as far as Hamster is concerned, right, it is easy to tell that we are sort of close to the bottom, and we are slightly performing better as far as the volume weighted aggregated price is concerned. So take a look at these bottoming patterns right over here. So we did drop as low as $0.004. We pushed up, okay, the price sort of got back down. So in case we're going to end up dropping lower than this particular support, right, and I really believe this is a very heavy support. So if you take a look at the POC, right, the point of control basically is around 0.004 dollars. So this particular volume node right over here is very significant. And if you take a look at what is happening recently, especially in the past 2-3 hours, take a look at these bars. We are decisively breaking above the point of control volume node, which is a very, very bullish sign. And this is one of the reasons why I really believe that we have bottomed. At least for this wave app, we have bottomed, and this is one of the reasons why I really believe from here we're going to sort of have this particular price trajectory then push up towards the upside. So personally, I am dollar cost averaging in heavy on Hamster Kombat, because I really believe there's a lot of upside as far as Hamster Kombat is concerned, and everything right now is pointing towards the upside. So this is one of the reasons why I really believe it's going to be very easy for Hamster to do like a 2x from here. Doing a 2x is basically going to leave us trading at close to $1 billion US dollars, which I really believe is pretty fair for a project as huge as Hamster Kombat. So talking about Notcoin, let's move and talk about Notcoin. So Notcoin has also been hammered a lot. It has really underperformed, and this is one of the reasons why we are seeing this particular ranging towards the bottom pattern. So it is currently trading at close to a cent, $0.007. This is the current price, and it's up by about 4.9%. It has got a market cap of around 770 million US dollars. So as far as Notcoin is concerned, there's absolutely a lot of room towards the upside. upside because, as you know, as far as the tone ecosystem is concerned, right, these coins are going to do extremely well. Hamster Combat, Notcoin, and Dogs are definitely going to do very well. And these are not very serious projects in terms of smart contracts and all that stuff. These guys are just basically tap to earn type of projects. They are fun projects and people really like having fun. So this is one of the reasons why I really believe these are going to be the best performers in 2024, and it is very important for us to sort of participate. So anyway, let's take a look at Notcoin. So if we take a look at Notcoin, right, it is obviously exhibiting a lot of bottoming patterns, because as you can see, we are also beginning to grind up above the simple moving averages. So if we take a look at the simple moving averages, right, on the smaller time frame, which is the 24 minutes, right, we are beginning to gain momentum. As you can see, this is the point of control. The point of control is basically this level where we fell off of a cliff and we are beginning to grind our way towards the upside. So this is one of the reasons why, if you're going to see the price of Notcoin going below 0.007 cents, then it's going to be a very good opportunity for you to buy back. But I really believe that in the next 2 days, that is not going to happen. It's highly unlikely for the price to go to these lower levels. So we could potentially be seeing the bottom of Notcoin. So this is one of the reasons why you're supposed to be getting in there and just, doing what you're supposed to do and hope for the best and, take that ride towards the upside. So the last project that I really want to look at is Dogs, DOGS, and the current price is around $0.000678, and it is up by about 2.8% with the market cap valuation of around 350 million US dollars, fully diluted valuation of 372 million US dollars. So if you take a look at the price chart as well of Dogs, it has suffered a similar fate. Same with Notcoin, Hamster, etc. But we are beginning to see a lot of bottoming patterns, early bottoming patterns. And this is one of the reasons why I really believe that, taking a leap of faith at this particular low levels is going to be very, very helpful. So as you can see, bottoming pattern action with a lot of trading buying power, especially on the volume nodes. As you can see, or rather DOGS, Dogs, has obviously defeated the point of control. So meaning there's actually more volume power pointing towards the upside, and this is one of the reasons why we are seeing this particular price reaccumulation, or rather accumulation price point sort of coming to an ending phase. When that happens, then obviously pushing towards the upside is what's going to follow next. So in terms of the targets, right, obviously your immediate target as far as Dogs is concerned is this particular volume node right over here at 0.0007%. So this particular structure right over here is where we're going to potentially face a lot of resistance. So more of the story is longing at these particular low levels is going to give you roughly around 15%. You've got a 15% profit potential as far as a lot of these projects are concerned. Okay, so take a look at Dogs. If you also take a look at Hamster also has resistance at this particular volume node right over here, which gives you roughly a 12 to 15%. So this is one of the reasons why I'm saying Notcoin, Hamster, and Dogs is going to give you roughly 15% before we sort of continue going towards the downside. So I really believe this is a great buying opportunity, and it wouldn't really hurt a lot to sort of dollar cost average. Don't go all in, be conservative, and let's see what the price is going to do in the next 8 to 12 days. But I really believe that we are almost bottoming. This is absolutely one of the bottom areas. In case we end up dropping, add some more tokens to your portfolio. In case we end up dropping some more, add some more tokens, because there's gonna be an aggressive push towards the upside. So I really believe we are witnessing something which is close to the bottom. So that's all I had for you as far as Toin coin news, or the Ton blockchain, the Ton ecosystem projects that I really wanted to update you guys on. So if you've got any other coins that you would want me to look at, please let me know in the comment section below. Remember, hit the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and drop me a comment, because that really helps my channel perform better. So talk to you guys a little bit later. Bye.